and fact check some of these claims.
Nikigomano kiria kiharirio ni ngwataniro ya andiki a mohoro ya MCK unyitaniri na andiki a mohoro guothe bururi-ini na kuria gikikaga mwaka rita rimwe niguo gukunguira wiyathi wa andiki a mohoro. Mwaka uyu andiki a mohoro mekirira kurunga ndereti ya utambia wa mohoro kuhitukira mitambo ya kiriu riu undu uyu kigwetwo gukorwo na moguni maingi kwa muhiano kuhuthia ukinyaniria.
Most of the times when biggest attacks on journalists have been recorded have been during the election year.
If it's a big story, they'll definitely come out as a dossier, but the time to do the verification is very limited.
Media houses now have to come and say, okay, fine, this claim was made by XYZ. We don't fact check the person, we fact check the claim.
Ona kuri uguo njira cia kiriu ni rutitwo mahitia makiria gukuruhanio na gutheremio kwa muhuhu utari mukinyaniru undu ria wongererekete na njira nene ica ikuhi.
Bitter truth is that the digital era has taken away a considerably huge chunk of our privileges. It has split our audiences. It has split our influence.
Uyu wari mwaka wa githurano kinene, njira cia kiriu ni igwetetwo ta undu ucungiririe mohoro ma maheni gutherema na ihenya undu ria ucungagiriria Kenya kwa gukinyirwo ni kihoto kiao ya gukinyirwo ni uuma na waragania.
Remember, for every function that you go out to cover as a journalist, they have also put their people there who their business is not the news of the day, what you're listening to, but their business is the goof.
The government has a responsibility to protect me as a citizen, me as a candidate, from false, unwarranted, illegal and unlawful claims being transacted on these platforms.
Kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka ya IEBC ikagwetwo ta rumwe ra honge cia thirikari iria cihokeirwo thayu wa bururi kuhitukira uheani wao maona thengi ya gutherema kwa naihenya kwa ndeto itari njikire mukonde makiria ihinda-ini ria githurano.
We have fake news and deep fakes where you see manipulated videos, and some of these videos they are actually generated from the source. They want to manipulate big rallies.
Nyumba cia mohoro nacio ni irutiirwo ritana kuheana mishara miega kuri andiki a mohoro undu ria ungihuthia miikarire yao ihinda-ini riri ria githurano na nginyagia mahinda ma thutha wa githurano.
Poor remuneration has been mentioned here earlier, was emphasized on by our colleague Judy Kaberia. Not just even poor remuneration, zero in some instances.
Hadini ya Kameme TV, retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.